Oh, Michael, this is going to be fun to watch.
And to the millions of coal miners that are tuning in right now, I'll do my best to keep the King's commentary unbiased, but I can't make any promises.
Yeah, and I'll do my best to try to not punch you in the face, but I won't make any promises either. I have a strong feeling that these guys will throw caution to the wind and just go full steam ahead. DDT!
He almost took his head off with that lariat. Nice reversal. And he dodges that one. Too slow.
So much on the line in this one. And like they say, on any given night, anything can happen in the WWE.
No one home for that one. And the knuckles connect. What a slam by Orton. And he reversed it.
Good move there.
Look at the eyes of the game.
Triple H can be emotionless in the ring. He's got that unique ability to do any horrific thing he can think of and have absolutely no remorse about it. Right hand by Randy. Oh, look at the emotion. What a great match we have here on Friday Night SmackDown. Oh, big DDT.
And I think he's begging him to bring it.
Wow, that was a good move by Triple H. Orton's in trouble.
What do you think the game strategy needs to be here, King? What a brutal shot to the head. That had to have done serious damage. Triple H must be injured.
Oh, man, that may have knocked him out cold. Boy, he was able to reverse and get out of that.
And again, the mind games are played. And again, the mind games are played.
He was able to reverse that.
He's back on his feet, but you can see the abuse from this grueling match has definitely taken its toll. Orton's going into that almost psychotic state that he can turn himself into.
Oh, Michael, he's a third-generation superstar. His family's been in the industry for nearly 100 years. Being aggressive like this, it's in his blood. Orton trapped him. Ooh, nothing pretty about that. Boy, this has just been pandemonium.
And there's some more emotion on display.
Oh, man, you take a shot like that, and you feel it for weeks. He's in big trouble.
Wow, did you see that?
That was unreal. There's the pin. Can it do?
No, only a 2 count for Triple H. Triple H has such a drive, such a relentless will to succeed.
Hey, Triple H.
A spine buster, that'll take its toll.
He may be rude and crude, but you can't argue the... What the? That's his opponent. There's a cover.
And Orton Kicks out. He's going to give up. He's got to give up. No one can get out of this.
Great hold being applied.
Triple H wins.